Welcome all. In today's class, we are going to learn the importance of light and shade of an object with pencil shading. As you are watching in this video, the circle which I am drawing, the left hand side is more darker because the light is coming from the right hand side. As you are watching in this part, the light is coming. So the left hand side is darker. In this one, the light is coming from the front. That's why the surroundings are little bit darker, because the light straightly coming to the midpoint of an object. Just follow and watch carefully. The surroundings will be a darker tone, and the light is in the center of the object. There is the light. And in this one, the light is coming from the left hand side, and that's why in the right hand side it will be darker because of the shadows. So dark the right areas of an object like this. Yes. Right side will be dark. Now the light is coming in the top portion of the object, so the down portion will be darker as the light focuses on the top of an object. Just follow the steps, it's very easy. So in the top part you are watching, the light is focusing, that's why the surroundings and the down portion will be darker. In the last one, the light is forming in the downwards, that's why the top portion will be darker. So by these steps, we will learn the light and shade of an object, how it is important to every object. So please follow these steps, it will be very helpful in your pencil shading. Practice in your home with any object. There is the light forming. So these are some few steps. Hope it will be beneficial for you. Thank you.